Mindset Mastery Hub, where I'll be giving you different tips, techniques, methods, and principles mentioned in different self help books. So, by implementing these tips and techniques in your daily life, this will help you to lead a successful lifestyle. Watch this video till the end so that you will understand these tips and techniques in a better way so that this will help you to implement in your life. So let's jump in and see today's episode. In today's episode, I am going to tell you about this book, Life is Short and So is This Book, which is written by author Peter Atkins. This book has got more than 4.3 stars rating on Amazon with more than 2000 reviews. In this book, author has given different examples of his own life. So, he has implemented these techniques in his own life and he is leading a successful lifestyle. And he says that by implementing the same techniques in your life, you can also lead a successful lifestyle. So let us see his different tips and techniques, methods, principles, and the values that he is following in his daily life to lead a happy life and a successful lifestyle. So let's jump in. Productivity. Author says, in today's life, everybody is very much busy in their own life. Author says, if one wants to move from this busy life to a productive lifestyle, one has to say no to the unimportant things because they waste a lot of time and this will not help you to move towards your goal. Author says the productive people focus on their work and that is towards their goal. Author says to do only few things but focus more on the productive work rather than doing a lot of things which will end up doing nothing. Make use of technology. Author says to make the use of technology and he gives the different benefits of the technology, especially in communication. Author says the email can be used as a technology for the easy and quick way of communication. The other benefit of this technology is, unlike meetings, email is not constrained to any location. So, by sitting at the comfort of his office, he can get connected to anywhere in this world. Also, by email, one saves time and money. He is a very strong believer in having an email rather than meeting a person. This also helps to convey a subtle emotional content by writing an email. Author says to create time because creating a time will help you to get a more productive work and help us to move towards our goal. Some of the methods that the author suggests to create a time is to have a focus and less distraction. Author says that when you are focused, don't get distracted by the social media or by phone calls or by doing some other things. Get a dedicated time to work on your goal. Also, another way of creating time is to have the office near the house so that you will be saving your time in traveling. This will give you more time to working on yourself. Also, this will save your energy and time. And also, author says to avoid multitasking because our brain is designed in such a way that the brain works only on one task better and get focused on only one task. So avoid doing the multitasking at a time. Some of the basic values that the author incorporates in his life and he is leading a successful lifestyle suggest to implement the same in our life. So what are these values? Let us see these steps. Author suggests to do what you think is right rather than depending on the others. Author says do not follow other people blindly. Rather, before following other people, see their credibility, see their experience, and see their success story, and only then you can follow them. Author says be honest and keep your word. In this today's competitive world, nobody is having a trust on the another people. So being honest and keeping your word, this will help you to grow in your business and career. Author suggests that in today's world, people worry a lot and they are wasting their energy and time. Instead, he suggests to take actions because actions will reduce your worry habit. Author also suggests that in this hectic lifestyle, one needs to spend time in nature and be with yourself because by spending time in nature, one gets relaxed and our mind gets a time to think more on the creative ideas. And last but not the least, character is very important because character is like a tree and reputation is like its shadow. So build your character as big as a tree. Author suggests 4 steps action plan. So let us see this 4-step action plan. Be active. Author gives a 4-step action plan. He suggests be active in the life. One needs to do physical exercise and also have a schedule for your day work, because having a schedule for your day's work will help you to move towards your goal rather than being aimless and doing nothing the whole day and wasting your energy and time by doing the non-productive work. Also, being physically strong will help you to work harder. Also, author suggests sometimes to laugh at our own mistakes, because this will help you to forgive yourself. By laughing at our own mistakes, this will help you to understand our own self, characters and behavior that we take the decisions. And author says finally that take life easy rather than being serious. The next action plan that the author suggests is take time for yourself, because in this hectic schedule, people are running behind the money and they are forgetting their own self, the relations, the family time, and about their own health. Because life is very short, and because one will not get the time to enjoy this, the limited time of the life. Last but not the least, authors suggest to have a good mentor in the life, because having a good mentor makes a huge difference in the life. Mentor helps us to succeed in our life in a better way. Mentor helps us to overcome the challenges. Mentor gives us the motivation to move towards our goal. So, mentor helps us to give the direction to move towards our goal. Having a mentor will help us to reach our goal very easily and fastly. The basic success principle that the author suggests is that do what you love, because doing what you love will help you to be more innovative, happy, and lead a contented lifestyle. Because if you love what you do, this will help you to be more creative in your work. And even if you work for 12 and 14 hours a day, you will not get exhausted. Rather, you will get more motivated to finish your work as you will be moving towards your goal. Also, the next success principle that author suggests is that to take a small steps in the right direction, because perseverance and consistency will lead you towards your goal. Because taking a small baby steps will help you to move towards your goal and understand the challenges that you'll be facing in your life, and you can get out of those obstacles in a better way. So consistency is one of the key factor to lead a happy and successful lifestyle, and this consistency will help you to reach your goal faster way. So dear viewers, my favorite quote from this book, the life is short and so is this book, is the character is like a tree and reputation is its shadow. The shadow is what we think of it, the tree is the real thing. So dear viewers, write in the comment box what you like the most and which technique you are going to implement from this book. Question and answers. For any questions or queries, write in the comment box. I am always there to help you. Dear viewers, subscribe to my channel Mindset Master Hub, where you will be getting a different tips and techniques mentioned in the self-help books. By implementing these tips and techniques, this will help you to lead a happy and a successful lifestyle. Share this video with your loved ones and the friends who are finding different ways to lead a successful lifestyle. Thank you and see you soon with the new techniques and tips next week.